My name is Nurunisa binti Muhazi, Numeric 16 DET 20F 2008.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurul Alisliana binti Rosli. My metric number is 1620F2004.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Nazmi bin Muhammad Shirazi. My number metric 16 DET 20F 2011.
The common emitter amplifier, a 3 basic single stage bipolar junction transistor, and is used as a voltage amplifier. The input of the amplifier is taken from the collector terminal, and the emitter terminal is common for both terminals. DC analysis. DC analysis calculate the DC operating point of circuit. You can use DC simulation to generate data on plots. For example, the IV curve of a transistor and anything DC value on a systematic. It is also the first simulation step when performing other simulations such as linear harmonic balance of transistor. Any circuit with a nonlinear model or a source with a DC component automatically requires DC simulation. For example, you might have a nonlinear transistor model that is biased up and you are doing a linear measurement such as. The DC simulation must occur first to get the linear characteristic of the nonlinear transistor model.
Axis analysis calculate the linear response of the circuit to stimuli or noise generating elements. As with both place linear analysis and linear DC analysis calculates the operating point of all non-linear elements, which determines their linear equivalent for the AC analysis. Unlike the port-based linear analysis, however, ACIS is a nodal analysis that calculates complex voltage and current at all the nodes and throughout all place. For the DC load line, the DC load line is the load line of the DC equivalent circuit defined by recording the reactive component to zero, replacing capacitor by open circuit and inductors by short circuit. It is used to determine the correct DC operating point, often called the Q point. For formula, VCE equals to VCC minus IC times RC. IC equal to VCC divide RC. VCE equal to VCC minus IC times RC. VCE cut off equal to VCC. AC load line. The AC load line is a straight line with a slope equal to the AC impedance facing the non-linear divide, which is in general defined from the DC resistance. The ratio of AC voltage to current in the divide is defined by this line. For formula, IC equal to ICQ minus VCEQ divide RC. VCE cut off equal to VCEQ plus ICQ times RC.
Here, I want to present about maximum output voltage from AC analysis. So here you can see two pictures. The left one is VCEQ, and the right one is a VCE cut off VCEQ. The next one is the formula for maximum input voltage from AC analysis. Here you can see V in max equal V out max understood per AV.